Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So in today's session, we will be creating localization for Flutter project. So let me create a sample Flutter project first. Flutter create localization sample, and this will create a sample project. Let me open it in VS Code. In the main dot, here is a sample project. This is a sample counter app. Let me run it in simulator just to see if everything is working fine. Running Xcode build, and it's up and running. Let me click here. Yes, as you can see the hardcoded strings here. You have pushed the button this many times and Flutter demo homepage. So this app is not internationalized. So today we will going to do that. First we need to add a dependency here. So if you go to the pub.dev and search for localization package, there will be plenty of packages available. And localization, this is one I am going to do today. This is pretty much simple package. You can copy here and in the terminal just paste it. Flutter pub add localization. This command will add a localization package. 2.1.0 is added, and we also need to add this dependency as well. Let me add it here and move the previous one to top for visibility. Good. Let me save it. So in the material app we need to implement some delegations. This is a path to the internationalization folder. Let me create that first. So we have created the folder. We don't have to mention that line, but because it's there by default, and we need to copy these localization delegates here. Let me paste it here and import those library. Now we have to create those JSON files which hold the key value for the strings, and we have to mention the supported localizations as well. Let me copy that and paste it here. In this project we are just testing with English and Portuguese, so let me remove the other one. Ignore that. Now let me create those JSON files. Let me create the first one for the English, then the one for the Portuguese, and let me copy the sample JSON file contents. So we just have two strings here, so let me name it the page title, which will be localization demo, and for the action title, let me copy that hardcoded string here, which will be the you have pushed the button this many times. Cool. So now we have to paste it here and replace those translations. Let me just try the Google translations for now. this as well. Copy, paste. So we have created the localization string collections to support our localization feature. So everything is good. Let me replace the hardcoded string with our JSON key and then use the internationalization method from that package. Here also let me use the JSON key and use the internationalization method. This will convert the key. It will load the corresponding text from those JSON files based on the localization. So we have added those JSON file. Now we have to link that in the asset folder. As you can see, it is mentioned here in this document. Yes, here. Let me copy that and paste it here. Now everything is good. Let me save it and let us run the app. Yes, the values for those keys are loading correctly. The action title is here, page title is here. Let me switch the language to Portuguese and see if everything is working fine. Let me open the app. Yep, great. So the Portuguese language is loading. Let me switch back to English. Good. So you have pushed the button this many times, but what if we need to pass like this 3 times, 4 times? For that we can use this symbol here. And that inside that internationalization method, we can actually pass the variable which holds us that value. If you go to the method, you can see it accepts an array of strings. So let me pass it as a string, save it, run. Yes, the number is accurate. Let me switch to Portuguese and let me test the app. Great. Okay, that's all for today's session. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.